Hello YouTubers, this is Eric from Eazy Computer Solutions. One of the things I always talk about in my videos is total protection. I got my iPhone. I took out the box earlier today, and the first thing I did, I dropped it. I dropped my phone, guys, on the face first, and the first thing that happened was I got a crack along the screen here. If you could tell that I got the crack along the screen. So today, guys, I got a glass screen protector on here. So I always talk about glass screen protectors, but booyah, on Amazon I picked up a Spigen glass screen protector, so I'm gonna swap it out on my iPhone 6s Plus. So get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. Hello guys, this is Eric again with another video. So today I cracked my glass on my iPhone, so I'm going to go ahead on and swap it out and put the new Spigen one on. So I got the tempered glass screen protector from Spigen. I always kind of use Spigen screen protectors a lot. It is a 9 on the hardness scale, and it got all the folic coating and all that good stuff like that. So let's go ahead and take it out the box. If you watch my videos, you know that I put on screen protectors a lot. I like that total protection, and also with the case and everything that's done. You got your kind of cloth here. You got your wet one, and they give you two of them, 2 sets. And the reason why they give you 2 sets is because it's 2 glass screen protectors for one price. And I think I picked this up for like $7. So let's go on and install the glass screen protector on my iPhone. So let's go. Okay guys, so the first thing you want to do is let's go on and power off the device. Let's power off the iPhone. And alright, so it's powered off. Let's go on and remove the old glass screen protector. I tell you what, this is a lifesaver. As you can tell, the old glass screen protector is broken. And look at the screen, it's still intact. Everything is good with the screen. So let's go on and commence the surgery. Let's go. All right, guys. So the installation is done here, and yeah, I mean, it went on without a hitch. I had a few little bubbles here that I had to get out. Other than that, it goes on pretty quick, guys. Pretty easy, pretty quick. And iPhone is still intact. Everything looks good. Everything looks smooth. I got the iPhone booting up right now. So basically what I want to do is see the touch sensitivity. And so far so good. And let's go on and check it out. Yes, iPhone is blazing here, no problem. Everything's good. And there we go. So guys, this is Eric from Eazy Computer Solutions, and I just want to kind of show you guys that the ultimate protection on your iPhone or any smartphone, guys, is a case around the back. And I always recommend clear cases, but this case here is a case that I've had before, and a glass screen protector. If you want that ultimate protection, you do need a glass screen protector, because if you drop your phone, booyah, it's done. So leave your questions down below. Let me know what you think about the iPhone 6s Plus screen protector. See you guys on the next video. Peace.